Nicole Van Blarcom of Bartonsville looks at the world a lot differently these days. Just a year ago, she overdosed on fentanyl. Now she's been clean for several months and says she owes regaining control of her life to Monroe County's co-response program.
And they came to my house and offered me help. And they did for me what I couldn't do for myself at the time.
Van Blarcom is one of the first people the program has helped since it began in February of last year. The Monroe County District Attorney's Office partnered with Carbon Monroe Pike Drug and Alcohol Commission and Pyramid Healthcare to integrate peer recovery specialists with law enforcement on overdose calls. The co-response team is contacted anytime an ambulance is called for an opioid-related overdose.
We go out and make contact with the person who overdosed and their family. We want to make sure that they have Narcan so that there's not a fatal overdose at the house, and we want to make sure that they have the supports that they need, and we try to get them into treatment.
Last year, the team offered support to over 65 people in the county. Monroe County Detective Kim Lippincott, who is in charge of the program, says programs like this are happening all across the country.
It's really a different way to fight the war on drugs. So we're attacking the war on drugs by helping the demand, diminishing the demand by helping get people into treatment. Why are these people committing crimes? It's because of their drug addiction. So we want to really tackle that drug addiction angle and try to help people so that they're not involved in the criminal justice system.
Stan Lewandowski is a certified recovery specialist working on the team. He has also been in recovery for 9 years. He says he got involved to become part of the solution.
It diffuses the situation when I can tell them, look, I've been where you're at. And I know in my early recovery, I wasn't sure that there was help was possible. And so I look at them like they may not believe they can do it either. And so one of the things I try to instill is maybe you don't feel like this can happen, but I know it can.
There is life after addiction, and it does get better. It's really hard to, get clean and stay clean. But life gets beautiful after you put down the drug and you get the help that you need.
A message Van Blarcom says she wouldn't know otherwise if it wasn't for the co-response program. Amanda Eustace, Newswatch 16, Monroe County.
That was Amanda's final story with Newswatch 16. After today, she is going on a new adventure. Amanda joined the WNEP team in March of 2020. In her 4 years with us, Amanda wore several different hats.
She told us the stories of those in the Poconos and spent some time on the anchor desk. She's covered breaking news, severe weather, and even tried different jobs at businesses around the region. From all of us here at WNEP, of course, the very best of luck to our Amanda. We are certainly going to miss her.
We really are. Good luck, Amanda.